Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Ali Akbar and I'm the leader of Team 12. And today we're going to present our second presentation about our senior project which named Automatic Pit Feeder System. First of all, we have agenda. We have globalizations, standard considerations, visibility analysis, risk analysis, plan of action, last but not least, budget. Today we shall give an insight of a project visibility and test the probability of our project Pit Feeder System. Then, next step is discussing the globalization and present how our product is able to be sold in the international market. We shall also debate about our project timeline with total budget required and what are risks related to our budget, their likelihood and impacts. Let's talk about the globalization. The movement to attract and manage individuals, industries and governments worldwide is the movement of globalization. The increase in world contact has culminated in expanding foreign commerce and the sharing of ideas and culture. We contact with our university fellow who belong to different culture and came here from different countries. They give us some suggestions that there's countries people will like an automatic pit feeder system. User-friendly, efficient and economical product. Create a product without minimize the user bits monitoring workload, durable batteries, sensors, Arduino and all other product components. Use real-time clock time to feed the bits at the adjusted date and time. The product should alarm the bit that is food time and food is ready. Let's talk more about the globalization. In globalization, our team further discussed the following things to make a globally accepted product. We have a global perspective, a global awareness, World Trade Organization, WTO, which is really important, a trade pairs, international success. Our bit feeder system is an intuitive and sophisticated application for bit feeding that feeds and tracks animals. Its role and functionality are understandable on a multinational level, promoting the goals of the product. A global outlook is a critical phase in the production of goods. It is a shared partnership with our consumers who will use our goods and love them. The WTO is a multinational body that addresses the global laws and commerce between countries. The WTO is a global trade organization. Its principal function ensures that trading flows between countries are as smooth, constant, and open as possible. It offers all goods that transcend foreign borders that are healthy and follow unique requirements that have been developed over the year. Standard consideration. A good product must meet rigorous criteria and standards. These criteria rely on the invitations area. The agreed criteria must be followed with the industry sector to excel in a product and impact local and global performance by contradicting these criteria. The team analyzes the fundamental standards of the system in this section. The standards are important to every project since they offer a continuity through all industry rules and securities on the planet. A project needs to follow standards if the projects want to operate internationally. Even without following specific rules, it is impossible to locally sell products and services. Let's talk more about the standard consideration. We use these standards to ensure product structures, technologies, and materials are secure and durable. For the various techniques we use in our design, these criteria are essential. In brief, the following criteria would be fulfilled by the team. As you see here, the criteria, IEEE standards for sensor performance, promoted definitions. We have also wireless LAN working group, functional safety, which is really important, electronic system integrations, safety of machinery, general principle for design. Last but not least, safety standards for electric connections. Standards manual are published which lay down standards and the producer for ensuring the reliability of everybody materials, goods, process, and service. Standards answers this various concerns, including thought not limited to multiple protocols to maintain product quality and compatibility, encourage interoperability, and foster customer and health protection.
Hello, my name is Kader Enzi. The team's technological portion would challenge the technologies required to complete the project. For example, whether the technology need to complete the project exist or whether the team wants new development. The team question the resource element if they have enough. expertise and equipment to finish their job, or if additional skills like programming and equipment need to be acquired. The financial element of the feasibility analysis is the economic risk determination of the project. The schedule feasibility analysis is the team time limit to fulfill the initial and crucial concept criteria. With a ranking from 3.97 over 5.0, the feasibility analysis culminated in a strong position that the project is successful. In essence, the team has all the material for the prototype, all the tools to excite the plan, and the budget for the project. The community has the ultimate aim of achieving ethnic integration and the legislation accepted. We brainstormed virus risk that might occur and impose serious fallout on our project and must be pondered during project planning. Laws and regulation violation, shipping delay, budget shortage, low social acceptance. This diagram is portraying the field tree analysis of our automatic bat feeder system, which presents the threat and the value in each section of the project. Feasibility analysis and marketing. We risk that the project would not meet design criteria to render the product marketable and compatible with comparable goods.
Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about risk solutions. Risks, laws and regulations violation, shipping delays, budget storage, budget shortage, infections, skill sets, low social acceptance, being competitive agent or the available products. The prototype is not functioning. Category: meet with a lawyer and discuss legal implications, create a strict schedule and order all parts 20 days before start fabrication. Find best quality parts with as minimum as possible cost. Seek guidance from the instructor, senior or online, and fill all knowledge gaps. Arrange seasons with students from knowing their desserts and design a product perfectly, portraying their needs so that no one deserves this product. Analyze the market prudently and find gaps and then a more modified solutions. Find alternative solution and take help from experts in the field. Statement of work, work breakdown structure, WBC, project milestones, GANTT chart, PERT chart. Work breakdown structure, WBC. Pit feeder system is project planning and analyzing, extensive testing, documenting, GANTT chart. Getting the main idea takes 5 days. Getting the approval takes 3 days. Analyze hardware components taking 5 days. Analyze software needs 5 days. Senior design 80 days. Order the requirement kit 3 days. Reading dash sheets 2 days. Design the circuit diagram 3 days. Learning programming language take 10 days. Testing of each component independent 5 days. Programming 30 days. Hardware development need 40 days. Assess building the hardware and circuits 20 days. Final test 20 days. Final report 3 days. Submit the product 1 day. And presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Al-Muteri. To guarantee that the project remains on budget, deadlines are defined to guarantee that those targets are reached before a critical period and illustrate how multiple things are handled before testing. The concept of integrating multiple areas of science or disciplines to form a diverse team is multidisciplinary. Typically, people from multiple backgrounds or people with diverse experience are expected for a well-built team and a well-designed engineering project. This is more of a multidisciplinary strategy and target device technical skills to create a creative and achieve operating style. The team will take the measurement required to render this project success through budgeting. Budgeting is not always entirely correct. The team must have stay inside budget lines to deter excessive expenditure. In order to achieve, every project must have a budget that does not only cover all the costs relating to the project, from its planning stage to its testing and development, but it is often utilized carefully on any level. As well as a budget will assist us to evaluating if the project is on a successful course. It will also help the team mentor and avoid excessive expenditure. We have collected a $1,000 budget for our pet feeder system. The end product description is fragmentation of product operation into different levels. It analyzed each step carefully, and it helps in understanding the work each component of which the product comprises, from where this component is taking input and what input is generating the start of the project. Planning period requires various approaches to how the designers fulfill the constraints and the goals.
Hello, my name is Faraz Dilmani. I'm a member of Team 12. I'm going to talk about the project circuit, project automatic pet feeder system, and the other deliverables. This is our project circuit diagram that is showing all the components that we shall use in our project, such as mobile, email server provider, SMS server provider, and the Arduino platform. This is our project automatic pet feeder system, operational flowchart that we're using in our project, and show that how exactly is the pet feeder system feeding the food and the water for the pet. And it has also motion sensor that detecting the pet motion. The other deliverables are the attachment connected with the end product. These may include data from the source, programming files, a presentation, and the prototype videos. The value of the finding is that they provide the reader with the proof of your work and how you accomplish all these things. In other deliverables, we have the software files that we made before implementing it on hardware, include Arduino programming files for the smart pet feeder system. The presentation and project complete documentation explaining every aspect of our product. In the conclusion, we are making an efficient, sustainable, and user-friendly automatic pet feeder system that will give food to when user wants, as well as care and monitor the pet. At the end, thank you for listening.